How long does it take to charge a PS5 controller? Hello everybody, back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how long does it take to charge a PS5 controller, or I'll simply explain you on how long it takes to charge a PS5 controller. Well, if you are using the USB-C cable that comes with the console, it will take about 3 hours to fully charge the controller. However, if you are using a third-party charging dock, it could take longer or shorter depending on the device specifications. Now, here are some tips and tricks. You can use a wall charger if you want to charge quickly. You can turn off vibration to help or save battery life of PS5 controller. You can adjust brightness like vibration. The controller's light bar can also drain the battery quickly. By reducing the brightness level, you can save some battery and life and extend your charging time. You can use battery saving settings as well. The PS5 system software features several battery saving settings. Now, the DualSense controller on the PS5 that usually lasts up to 12 hours on a single charge. So in conclusion, the PS5 controller takes about 3 hours to fully charge when using the USB-C cable that comes with the console, or if you are using other equipment to charge your controller, then it may vary depending on the product that you are using. Now, a charging dock is a useful investment for hardcore gamers who want to charge multiple controllers simultaneously as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.